method for memorizing is repetition. You repeat and you will see it sticks to your mind. Just, 3 times and you can see it. Now the next point is, to try to remember the first word of each line. So it comes automatically, doesn't it? Now you just got the word na to begin with. Na dhanam, na janam, na sundarim. It is leading you to the next line. What is the next line? Kavitam ba jagad-isa kamaye. Then what is the first word of the third line? Mama, and the rest of the line? Mama janmani, janmanisvare. And what's the first word of the fourth line? Bhavatad, bhaktir, ahaituki. It's like a thread, just connects. So it's this. Try to use this principle and you'll see very easily you'll be able to memorize it. Everything needs a systematic effort. So this is how you do you make that systematic effort. The first thing is actually to understand the meaning of the verse. With the understanding of the verse, just repeat a few times and you'll almost get it. Then what is the next step? You write them down on a piece of paper. You write the verse down on a piece of paper, and then during the day, in course of your chores, you try to memorize it from time to time. You try to see if you can remember. And if you get stuck, then pull out the paper and just see where you got stuck. And this way, you try practice a little bit, and you'll be able to memorize it. To memorize one verse a day is not that difficult. But then, what needs after that is repetition, practice. From time to time, you read the verses. Then you will see